super light hood compared to our other one.
So you take it.
Dude, I wanted that.
It's perfect.
I hope we have a new grill.
Oh, dude, this one's painted though.
Well, yeah, we should probably save that one. It's special. Okay, so we're taking the cowl off. We're gonna get all this replaced. Again, we don't really know what we're doing, so wish us luck.
Or that.
What were you doing? I was gonna save that. It's definitely smaller than an 8.
Well, that's stupid.
Yeah, who does that?
Yeah, who made this?
If anyone asks, you broke it.
There we go. Oh, dude, we don't have to break it. We can just unbolt the wiper.
Okay, so we got to take out this whole mechanism, transfer the motor to the new one. We are unplugged. That was tough. What did I do with the ratchet?
There you go.
And just like that, we're out. Dude, this is way easier than I thought it would be. I thought this was gonna be a pain in the butt. So now we'll be able to see what's actually wrong with this, maybe. Either one of us have done this, so
so we're gonna be really good at it.
yeah, like, we're gonna be pros. Oh, jeez. I don't think we could get that off if we tried. Because we tried.
Where's the hammer?
You know, take it out in the street. See if you can smack it.
Big hammer.
Guys, I seriously thought this was gonna take us all day. Can you guys see that? Dude, there's no way we were gonna get that off. How's this pulled up? There we go. Whoa! Oh, dude, these teeth are all stripped.
I can't imagine.
Like, it's flat. I don't know if you guys can see that, but those teeth are all stripped.
You know the part that locks it? It's like completely bent.
That explains it.
Look at it. Look at the locking mechanism.
Whoa!
I haven't touched it at all. He bent it down.
We're looking at this. Right there. That's awesome. Just like that, this is ready to go in. How cool is that? That was simple. I wish every job was that nice. Oh yeah, those teeth are toast. All right, I'm gonna get these reset, so I gotta start the rig. They're not spinning. Not at all. Like, not even kind of. These are supposed to spin. Remember I said I was waiting for some surprise? Yeah. We just found it. The motor is working just fine. It's spinning the bolt, so we probably forgot a part. Good thing it's 3 bolts. Good thing now it's been in the sun, so it's nice and hot. Oh, that's warm. I know what I did wrong. So this piece of linkage needs to be twisted the right direction to go on here, and then the bolt tightened down. I didn't do that. So for this, it requires a special tool. This is from like 1930. They made it in the day specifically for this reason. So let's go with it. So how do I get this on?
Well, I definitely don't think you're supposed to smack it with a hammer.
Well, that didn't work anyways. This tool that was designed for this in 1943 is not working. Guys, don't do what I just did. Now I gotta get a new motor. Told you, train wreck.
Thank you for coming around. My name is Jeff speaking. How can I help you?
Yeah, I need to get a windshield wiper motor for a 2005 F-150.
Hopefully this time. It works.
I'm hoping, man. Something that's supposed to take 5 minutes is taking us hours. We had to take this piece off because this piece is incorrect on the new fitting. So that's what we're trying to do.
That's easy. Well, I'll pop that off too. Well, I really got it. So, yeah. Jeez. Who makes these things?
No kidding. Holy cow. That's some work, dude.
They had a trick to getting it on too, actually. So maybe we should do that.
Okay, we'll be
They
back.
had a thing.
We gotta YouTube this.
Apparently you're supposed to take an 11/16 socket and just push down. But there it goes.
See? The internet was right. Hey,
There we go.
wow. Thank you, YouTube.
Let me just attach that one again and good as new.
There. Now let's go put this in. Jeez. All right, guys, we've already shown you how to bolt this in. We're not going to bore you with that again. At least we figured out the problem, and it wasn't just us. This piece literally just would not go on. All right, guys, we're going to get these wired because we've got help coming in. While I'm doing this, Ian's going to be working on the winch mount and the brackets. So this goes like this. I'm just gonna wire these guys to the original fog lights. And again, we're professionals, don't try this at home. We know it's like a train wreck. There's probably a better way to do this. We would love to hear about it, but at the moment, this is how it goes. Okay, since I don't have black wire, I'm just gonna put some black tape on this piece. That way I know it's the negative. I would recommend using red and black wire, not red and red wire. Just don't be trying this at home without adult supervision. So basically I'm gonna take this little clamp piece here and this, put it in there. This is a cool little splice tool or connector, I guess. I don't know. Again, we don't really know what we're doing, so it's a train wreck, but wouldn't be our job if we didn't. I'm just gonna squish that to where it goes in, and it looks like that's through. And we're just gonna fold that over. So I'm just gonna take that, leave me a little bit of play here. Okay guys, I got this all wired. You can see connected it together, connected it to a plug, and then I'll just rewire it to the factory settings on the truck. Well, help has arrived to install this. Hey, what's up?
What's going on? Careful there.
If it looks like a train wreck, it is. All right guys, we're gonna get this bumper installed. I've kind of got you out of the way, but you may or may not be able to see it, but either way, you're on camera. If we go up, we gotta go way up. Okay.
My hands are so
You
sweaty.
should try to stand. It's easier than being down.
Well, it's because my hands were sweaty. I should have worn my hand gloves.
You want to take it down and get gloves?
Nope. Oh, it's bend. Oh, it's
Yeah,
not
it's just
tight.
this.
It's not tight.
Yeah, we left it loose on
so it's
purpose
just that
because
that's
I knew there.
That's all.
it's just that
was.
that's come up, not this.
Okay, I knew
That
we
makes
needed-
sense as to why we had a problem.
Yeah.
I knew
Yeah,
we
we wanted them loose.
Well, I did because you got to adjust it to how it's supposed to fit.
Yeah, so you're good.
I regret the gloves just for the edge and the slipperiness.
Yeah.
I was sweating so bad.
I sanded my
It
fingers.
was slipping out of my hands. I'm like, I gotta get my leg under there.
freaking hot, man.
Telling me.
I don't think we could have done that.
That was heavy. It was heavier than, like, with two of you, that'd have been tough to get in the bolts in.
Well, I told them, like, before we put the winch in, I lifted the whole bumper, and it wasn't
Dude, we
that
could
heavy.
have put the winch
So I told
in.
them, oh, just one other guy.
Yeah, but lining up the holes and stuff.
No, I know.
Lifting
But-
is one thing.
Yeah, I know.
This was my
I
thought.
had it
Like,
right here,
we
so-
actually could have probably fit the winch in while it was on here.
Hey, you know what? It doesn't matter now.
No, it doesn't.
Probably would have sucked, though.
Yeah. I think you were smarter doing it the way you did it. Because if you're lucky, you'd have got it up there and been like, it doesn't fit.
Oh, and then have to take it down. That was what I was worried about, honestly.
Ask me how I know that kind of thing works.
Oh, yours and my luck are the same. Okay, so here's the problem though, is we've got to make adjustments based off the grill too.
Yeah, so it's all evenly lined up.
Yeah, so we can't tighten anything down until we get the hood on.
Well, it definitely
And the-
could be snugger though.
Yeah, I got it more snug.
It is extra hot in front of your garage.
Oh, that's
Well, because the sun's literally
I know.
right at this
There's
spot.
no breeze right here. Nothing.
oh, it's like 140. Ian's good with that, but I'm not.
You guys think you can manage?
Oh yeah, I mean it's on there.
Yeah, I mean, worst case, we'd call you because you're a paramedic. So we'll be fine.
Don't do that. I'm trying to enjoy my 6 days off.
Yeah, don't call me, man. Don't move. There. Okay, so now we got to do the hood. Let's get
Yeah.
Dude, that looks nasty. All right, guys, we got this hood on, but we couldn't film it because the battery died on our camera. So we're gonna film from our phone and finish it up. Good morning, guys. We are back on Coney here. We've got a few mistakes that we made because we're really awesome at this stuff. You guys know that. So we've got to get the winch cable out of there, and we didn't do that before we installed it, so that's what we're gonna do right now. Oh, it's gonna be fun. Nuts and bolts, nuts and bolts. We got screwed. So tell me what you guys use to change blinker fluid and stuff on your rigs. I've been looking for a new product. If it looks like fun, it is. If it doesn't look like fun, it isn't. We forgot to cut this piece, which, you know, rookie mistake.
I'm good, man. I got this in place. Don't even worry.
So Ian's used to holding stuff
I'm
while I...
full force on this.
He's used to holding stuff while I walk away. So he could probably stand here for an hour. And if you look, he's holding it literally by his pinky.
Yeah, see, look, I can do this all day.
All day. He's not joking.
Because if you guys don't know, these aren't working, so if I let go, it falls.
And for the record, they were working earlier today. That is just our luck with the with stuff. I've already made 3 trips to O'Reilly's today, guys. I'm kind of done. And my wife took my truck, so I'm stuck here.
Yeah, she stormed off in the truck.
Well, ish. Had an appointment.
Oh, that's what I meant.
She still likes me, so.